Televisi nasional Iran mengonfirmasi kematian pemimpin tertinggi Iran Ayatollah Ali Khamenei pada hari Minggu pagi 1 Maret 2026. Ali Khamenei tewas akibat serangan AS Israel. Media pemerintah melaporkan bahwa Khamenei tewas dalam serangan udara yang menargetkan kompleks kediamannya di pusat kota Teheran.
Iran's supreme leader, the 86-year-old Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, is dead. That's according to reports on both Iranian state television and its IRNA state-run news agency. Now, they offered no details on how Khamenei died, but he was the target of joint American-Israeli airstrikes that have just pummeled at Iran over the last 24 hours. Now, his death is going to set up a new moment for Iran. Iran has only had two supreme leaders so far, the ruler Khomeini, who led the 1979 revolution, and Khamenei, who came into power in 1989 and led Iran through decades of tensions with the United States over its nuclear program, as well as its support for proxies in the wider Middle East.